What's going on, guys? I'm Jason and this is Lavish Car Reviews, back with another video for you. So today we out here with the fellas. We got all the cars out here today, so you guys stay tuned. Make sure you don't leave the channel and make sure you watch the video all the way till the end. And if you're new here, also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I appreciate you guys. We are growing. We're growing. So every subscriber, everybody that's tuned in and watched my videos, I really appreciate you and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. But we got the Boss 302 out here. We got another 5.0 here. We got the GT350, the 19 GT. We got the AMG C63s bi-turbo. Then we got another 5.0 out here, supercharged. You guys seen that car in my video before, in my other videos before. And then we got the Skyline GTR. You guys saw that in the previous video. We did a review on that one. And then we got the BMW up here, the GT3 RS. Apology. This is a nasty car right here. Look at this thing, guys. Woo. Oh man, this is sweet right here. Comment below, guys, if you ever drove one of these or you ever been in one. This is nasty right here. So if you guys don't know, this is CJ. CJ is the owner of Nice Up Motorsports, and also this is Rondell. You guys met him in my other video. He's the one that pretty much like did all the work on the dong with CJ. And yeah, so if you guys ever need your car tuned, you want to build a car, you want to buy a car, whatever, just come up here to Nice Up Motorsports. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram also. And he got a website too, right? Yeah. Niceup.com. So make sure you guys check it out, you know, and go over there. So
here next week to the full online store and everything.
Okay, you heard it. There's gonna be a new website launched. There's gonna be a new store. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, okay? As soon as we get that, all right? You guys stay tuned. There's gonna be some big things coming out of here. So we'll be over here. Hopefully we can capture it all and give it to you guys. So like I said before, if you wanna get your car tuned, you wanna come over here, get a build, you wanna get some upgrades, get your motor built, whatever it's got to do with cars, come to Nice Up Motorsports, all right? Alright guys, so back at the crib. Today was a long day. We hung out with the guys, went and did some runs down in Mexico. Today was just a short video. I didn't want to hold you guys too long today, so just giving you this video, be some content, something for you to enjoy while you're on lockdown. If you're still on lockdown, I know some places are opening up, but like I said, I appreciate everything you guys are doing for me. I appreciate all the subscribers. I'm so thankful, so blessed to have you guys. I appreciate every last one of you. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys had fun with me, because we had fun. And that's about it, guys. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and watch the video all the way through, because you ain't gonna want to miss it. This is Lavish Car Reviews, and I'll see you soon. Peace.